My dear students, good morning. Today I am going to discuss under electrochemistry unit the cells and battery. I am Dr. R. Gunasekharan, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Today, I am going to discuss the primary batteries and secondary batteries as per our syllabus. What is primary batteries? Under this, Lachlan cell is a specific example. In all primary batteries, reaction occurs once and after use over a period of time, battery becomes dead and cannot be reused again. So once used, these batteries, we have to throw it out. Example, the cells that is used in transistor. The cell consists of a zinc container that acts as an anode, and cathode is a carbon rod surrounded by powder MnO2 and carbon. The space between the electrodes filled by a moist paste of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. Please follow. This is the Lachlan cell. Now what you are seeing is the diagram. Kindly follow. It is very, very difficult to draw. Anyhow, you understand. This is the carbon rod. This is the corresponding anode, zinc anode. In between, it is filled MnO2 plus carbon black and ammonium chloride paste is placed. What is most important? The question will be asked. Only the reactions will be asked. The cell reaction in the case of a Lachlan cell is a complex, but approximately written below. At anode, the zinc rod ionized to give zinc 2 plus and 2 electrons, so undergoes oxidation. At cathode, the MnO2 combines with ammonium ion in the plus electron. It forms the product MnOOH and ammonia is liberated. The liberated ammonia produced in this reaction forms a complex with zinc 2 plus to form a complex tetraamine zincate 2 plus or zinc NH3 2 plus ion. Kindly follow. This is the reaction you must understand. Please follow. This is Lachlan cell. See what you are seeing here, it is the mercury cell. Kindly see again, see here there is an anode here, anode cap, cell can, cathode, separator, casket. So let me explain now. What is mercury cell? It consists of zinc amalgamated as anode and the paste of mercuric oxide and carbon as the cathode in the mercury cell. So the electrolyte is a paste of potassium hydroxide and zinc oxide, normally used in watch. This mercury cell is normally used in watch. The most important, what is the cell reactions? Here the cell reaction, E cell of this cell, that is 1.35 volt. Anode. At anode, zinc, amalgamated zinc reacts with OH minus to produce zinc oxide, water and electron is produced. So it is an oxidation taking place at anode. At cathode, the mercuric oxide, kindly follow, combines with water in presence of electron produced. So to deposit mercury and OH minus is liberated. So what is the overall reaction? zinc amalgamated zinc plus mercuric oxide solid gives zinc oxide solid and mercury liquid. This is the overall cell reactions in the case of kindly follow, that is the mercury cell. Please follow. This is the mercury cell. The cell reaction we have discussed. So what we are seeing now is lead storage battery, normally used in cars and the lorries. Kindly follow. So the structure is complicated, but you can see the anode, cathode is always there. Normally 38% of sulfuric acid solution is used in this battery. Okay. So the lead storage battery, we are calling it a secondary battery. What is primary battery? But the main criteria, once we use, it will dead, if we have to throw out. But this is rechargeable. Please follow. Secondary batteries are rechargeable. Lead storage battery, that is for automobiles and inverters we are using. So it consists of a lead anode and a grid of lead packed with lead dioxide as cathode. A 38% solution of sulfuric acid used as an electrolyte. Please follow. So this is the most important regarding the storage of lead, the constituent of lead storage battery. The most important is the reaction. What is actual reaction taking place in the secondary battery, that is lead storage battery? At anode, lead solid reacts with the sulfate ion of sulfuric acid to produce the lead sulfate solid and electrons are liberated. So oxidation takes place. At cathode, lead dioxide reacts with sulfate ion again in presence of electron and acid medium sulfuric acid H plus to produce again lead sulfate and water liquid. So what is the overall reaction? Lead solid, kindly follow, reacts with the lead dioxide in presence of 38% of the sulfuric acid aqueous. So produce lead sulfate, solid and water. This is the overall reaction. So once it is, the charge is over, by adding extra sulfuric acid, again if you charge means it is rechargeable, so the battery will come again work in this case. So this is rechargeable secondary batteries. On charging the battery, the reaction is reversed. And lead sulfate on anode and cathode is converted into lead sulfate and lead dioxide respectively. Its reaction will be reversed, will coming back. Kindly follow. Now the next cell, it is nickel cadmium cell. Nickel cadmium cell. Another important secondary cell is called nickel cadmium cell, which has a longer life than lead storage cell, but more expensive to manufacture comparatively. The overall cell reaction is cadmium solid, 2 nickel hydroxide, there is a trihydroxide solid, giving cadmium oxide solid, then 2 nickel dihydroxide solid and water liquid. This is the overall cell reaction. So what you are seeing here, it is the nickel cadmium cell. So positive plate, separator, negative plate, etc. Kindly follow. There is another cell called fuel cell. Kindly follow fuel. There is anode, there is cathode. And we are here through this oxygen is entered, through this hydrogen is entered. So they are combining to form water in presence of aqueous electrolyte. This is called fuel cell. This is the most important cell you must know. Kindly see let me explain. Fuel cells are galvanic cells that are designed to convert energy of combustion of fuels like hydrogen, methane, methanol, etc. directly into electrical energy. So we can convert the chemicals into electrical energy. One of the most successful fuel cell uses a reaction of hydrogen and oxygen to form water. This is normally used in rockets. The fuel cells. The fuel cells were used for electrical power and drinking water supply in the Apollo space program. Please follow. I told you in the rocket it was used. The main electrode reactions are given below. Please follow. At cathode, oxygen combines with 2 moles of water, presence of 4 electrons, giving 4 hydroxide ion. At anode, hydrogen 2 moles combines with again 4 OH minus to produce 4 water molecules and 4 electrons are released. It is oxidation. So here it is anode, oxidation, cathode. It is reduction taking place in the fuel cell. So we are using oxygen, we are using hydrogen. Final product is water is the final product. So 2 moles of hydrogen to 1 mole of oxygen to produce water. So water we can produce by this fuel cell. It is the most important reaction. Kindly follow. So let me go for the finally corrosion. What is meant by corrosion? Corrosion is the process where metals will be coated with oxides and other salts. Metals will be coated with oxide and other salts. Normally, when new buildings were constructed, you can see when the metals are coming, you can see very dark in color. After some time, when they are in the atmosphere for a few weeks or few months, you can see slightly the dark rods becoming some reddish color of the color will change. This is due to air oxidation. This oxidation we will call it as corrosion. Rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver, and the development of green coating on copper and bronze are examples. These are all corrosion. So, rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver, silver also getting tarnishing, and the green coating, again copper becoming green on the bronze are examples of this corrosion. In corrosion, metal loses electrons to oxygen and metal will be converted into metallic oxide. So this is the basic reactions. The chemistry of corrosion is quite complex, but it may be considered essentially as an electrochemical phenomena. At a particular spot in iron where oxidation takes place, the spot will behave as an anode and the following reaction takes place. So kindly follow the reaction that is taking place in corrosion. Oxidation at anode. So 2 moles of iron solid now converted into 2 Fe plus 4 electrons. Kindly follow. So this is oxidation, and then the electrode reaction is 0.44 V. That is oxidation potential. Then reduction potential, kindly follow here. Oxygen 1 mole plus 4 H plus. Now accepting these 4 electrons, converting to 2 moles of water. That is reduction here. It is minus 1.23. So the overall reaction is 2 moles of iron solid plus 1 mole of oxygen plus 4 H plus ion aqueous converted into 2 Fe2 plus aqueous 2 H2O liquid. E cell of the reaction is 1.67 volt. This is the corrosion. So my dear students, so in this chapter what you have to do, I have come across primary batteries, secondary batteries, specific examples and also corrosion. So mainly the reaction is most important because question will be only on the reaction side they will ask. Kindly follow. Atmospheric oxidation. In the atmospheric oxidation, iron 2 plus iron in presence of 2 moles of water, oxygen half mole, getting oxidized into Fe2O3 solid. This is called oxidized. And 4H plus is released in aqueous. So electrons are released at anodic spot, move through the metal and go to another spot, and the metal reduce oxygen in the presence of H plus, available from carbonic acid formed or dissolution of other acidic oxide from atmosphere. And this part behaves as cathode in the reaction. Kindly follow. Now, the ferrous ion are further oxidized by atmospheric oxygen to ferric ions, which came out as rust in the form of hydrated ferric oxide. That is Fe2O3.X H2O. X may be any number depending upon the concentration of water. So whenever corrosion means it is spoiling the metal ion, the copper and silver. So what we have to do, how to prevent this corrosion? There are two methods. One is by painting this, another is by amalgamating the metals. These are the two metals we can prevent the corrosion. I hope I can come to the conclusion. Thank you, my dear students. And these dear students who are watching my channel, NEET Chemistry by Dr. R. Gunasekaran, for the first time, kindly help me by click like and share with your friends and click subscribe if you are the first time, looking for the first time. And kindly inform your other students, your friends. So this channel was opened by Dr. R. Gunasekaran, that is by me, in order to help poor students of India. So I am starting from 8th standard to plus 2 level. All the units present in the books, but the level is I have taken up to BH level. I have covered. So once you go through this my channel, you can easily score 100 out of 100 in chemistry. I will be giving guarantee for this one, because all information I am giving here, which are not available even in your plus 2 books or even BSc books. And I have one important information to the students who are waiting to write NEET All India examination for the academic year. Dear students, we are running a coaching center called Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 21 years. That is 20 years, more than 20 years. And we have our own site, Vetri Daughters. Site, Vetri Daughters. Website, Vetri Daughters. And if you enter Vetri Daughters, and if you come to the home page, you can see all our achievement for the last 20 years. So let me explain one or two achievement. Now, first achievement is every year, nearly 10 to 20 students we are sending to JIPMER every year. 150 to 200 students we are sending every year to other medical colleges. Hundreds of students are joining in engineering colleges. Very few students are joining IIT. This is one of the achievement. The second most important achievement is in 2003, R. Srinivasa Raghavan from Patrick School studied along with us in Vetri Coaching Center from 9th standard. He got All India first rank in 2003 in JIPMER. All India first rank in JIPMER out of few lakhs written on this. So this is our achievement. Now let me give some information regarding our Vetri Daughters. Why you have to join Vetri Daughters to become a doctor easily? 3 important features we have. 1, Vetidatas contains 200 video lesson, 200 the unit test. Please follow. The 200 video lessons were taken by professors with a doctorate degree and having teaching experience for more than 20 to 30 years, BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD level. Also, coaching for IIT and medical MBBS students for the last 30 years. So well experienced professors are handled the classes. So when you look the video lesson, all informations will be there as per your book. Again, extra points also will be there up to BSc level. Why I am saying repeatedly BSc level, BS level? When you attend IIT or NEET, then question that may not be available in your book itself. So higher level will be there. Now it will be easily you can answer if you go through our Vetidatas. Kindly follow. And this here, that video lesson when it is running, if you want to just note any information like formula, definition or discussion, anything, you kindly touch that video, it will stop. Note everything. Then again touch, it will move. So any number of times you can repeatedly, you can see the video lessons. This is the important feature. The another one, I told you Vetidatas has 200 unit tests. What is the most important feature that is not available in other online coaching? So we have taken purposely from 20 years of IIT questions from 20 years from AIIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry question papers are only taken for this unit test. Then you can raise a question, what is the advantage of taking this unit question? So we have observed for the last 6 years in NEET All India question paper, we have confirmed 75 to 80 questions, same questions from our question bank repeated. Same question, without even a single word change, repeated for the last 6 years. That means you are getting nearly, can you follow, 320 marks you are getting from Vetidatas is giving as a bonus to you. And if you are a good student and hardworking and sincere in your study, you can get nearly the 300 marks plus 300 plus you will get. So 600 plus you will get out of 720 in NEET All India question paper. And my dear students, I want to give one important information. That is, if you want to, when you are trying to attend the test, so first let me give information regarding our Vetidatas. Then I will go for the NEET conducted by Government of India. So first let me take for Vetidatas the entrance coaching, that is unit test coaching. In the Vetidatas unit test coaching, there is a menu called attempt. That means after entering into Vetidatas, there will be lesson, there will be test, there will be there is doubt clearing, everything, so many menus are there. If you go and click the test, it will come, all the unit name will come. Say for example, electrochemistry unit, you enter electrochemistry and you click attempt. When you click attempt, immediately the question paper will open. That is, a page will open, window will open. What you will see? Question number 1. You can see the question number 1. Option A, option B, option C, option D will be there. And there are 3 other menus also there. And below that, there is 1 to, kindly follow, 1 to 45 questions in yellow color it will be there. Kindly follow. So when you press enter, so just you can see the question. Option A, option B, option C, option D will be there. Center is complete. So take care, complete, you have to touch only after finishing the test. Otherwise, you will lose. Then right side it is next. The menu is called next. Left side reverse. So with the help of these three menu, you can write the test. Kindly follow. And below this there is number, only number 1 to 45, yellow color. So for example, if you are attending a unit test in Witty-Daughters, each test containing 45 questions each. So for example, electrochemistry means there will be 2 tests, test 1, test 2, 45 separately question will be there. So first test if you are writing, so if you click A is the correct answer, immediately the number 1 in question number 45, 1 to 45 will become yellow color. The yellow color changing to green color. That means that question you have attended. The second question will be blue color, remaining will be in yellow color. So what you have to do now? Next, click next, second question will open. You can see your option, go again like this. So what you have to follow now? So you have to follow systematically. First theory, then problem you have to follow. Now I want to give one information here. Suppose if it is a NEET India, NEET chemistry, NEET examination in Government of India, you are writing, means you have to follow 3 steps. I am giving, please follow this advice. 3 steps you have to follow. What is the first step? Botany, zoology, chemistry and physics. The first step is click only 100% known question from botany, zoology, chemistry and physics, theoretical questions. Only known question attend. So let us assume you know nearly 100 question is known. Because botany and zoology there is no problem, 50 plus 50 to the 100 question is coming already. Then chemistry definitely there will be minimum some 20 questions will be theory question, 20 to 30. Physics also some 20 to 30. So 150 out of 150, so minimum 100 question you will answer, you know very well. Kindly follow. Definitely I told you 75 to 80 questions will be of same type. Same question you have already attempted in Witty-Daughters will be repeating every year. So that also you can observe here. So the first step is over. The second step, again starting from botany, zoology, chemistry and physics, the difficulty question, theory questions, you attempt. Think twice, thrice and observe. If it is, the question is, if the answer you are thinking that it is 80% it may be correct, then put a tick mark. Put a click that, answer. And if you think it is less than 40%, no, don't click that question. Leave it. Leave it as such without touching the question. Please remember, it is not necessary we have to write all the 200 questions. Attempt all the 200 questions. Agree? Okay. Third step, now come to the problem. Problems only in physics and chemistry. Physics will be more problem than chemistry. In chemistry, only physical chemistry there are problems. So when you are attending problem, kindly by reading, you know the unit, and from the unit, what you can just find out what formula you have to apply, and then proper unit you substitute, multiply, divide everything, and then arrive the finally answer, and then compare the answer with the original in the option. If it is coinciding, then put a tick mark. So like this, you go from the chemistry and physics on the problem. So after completing everything, if there is still time for the allotted time is there, just see there is the unattempted questions. If it is there, then you can try again. If it is possible, then you can think if it is right. Otherwise, leave it. Then finally, complete or submit menu will be there. Submit and come out. But in the case of Vetri coaching, that is Vetri daughters, what will happen after completing 45? So if you click submit, immediately a window will open. In the window, you will get like this, 160 out of 180. Because we are giving 45 questions into 4, it is 180 marks. Out of 180, you are getting 160. That means only 4 questions you have not attended. 4 questions you have not attended. Kindly follow. Or you have, that is the, you are losing 20 marks. It may be any way. Either you have left 4 questions or by -1, like that it will come up. So now what you have to do now? So there is a menu in Vetri Daughters review. This review is not available in any online coaching in India. Kindly follow. If you press review, what will happen? A new window will open. Kindly follow. This option is not available in any online coaching. You can verify. Well, if you press review, again question number 1 will open first. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Then correct answer also will be written there. And below that there is a video solution. That is answer solution. Video solution. Kindly suppose you have, if you have, for the first question, if you have attended A, that will be in blue color. Correct answer will be in yellow color. So by comparing these two, you can easily identify you have clicked correct or wrongly. So this facility is not available in any online coaching center. Please follow. And our Vetri Daughters, everything calculation, giving 4 marks for correct answer, -1 for wrong answer. It is giving systematically, as in the case of NEET connected by Government of India, it is giving very nicely, it is giving the marks. So, kindly follow, blue. Suppose if you are finding your answer is wrong from the correct answer, you want to know the solution, click the video below. The video solution will run. Video will run. That video will run for 10 to 15 minutes. So professor of concerned subject will be in front of you in the screen and speaking about the question. He will read the question. He will read the option. Then he will tell at what topic, what subtopic this question is asked, and what formula you have to apply, and what units you have to introduce, everything, and the definition, differentiation, and the formula, everything he will discuss, as in the case of ordinary class, the video lesson. All information he will give, explain. If it is problem, he will also work out the problem in the board. You can see directly as in the classroom. So, easily you can observe on. So, if in future any type of questions of same type, if it is asked, you can very easily answer. Because you know very well it is taught by the professors. But you compare other online coaching, there is only one word or one line will be there. That's all. In the option, correct options, suppose A is the correct option means A option will be there. Below that correct answer is, they will give one word or one line answer. That's all. But only Vetri Daughters is having this video solution. So nearly kindly follow. We have how many? See 200 tests. 200 into 45. So I can say 0, 0, 10, 4, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0. So kindly follow now. Nearly 9,000 question video solution will be there. So approximately 10,000 video solutions will be there. Kindly follow. Each video solution will run 10 to 15 minutes. So if you want to really improve your knowledge simply by reading books again and again. You will not achieve anything. But if you look the video solution frequently, the concept it will enter in your mind. You can slowly improve your knowledge. You can easily score mark when you are increasing number of tests. So after attending all the 200 tests, automatically you will be in the top rank. So you will be nearly out of 180, you will be getting 160 to 170. You will be getting in the unit test. So 170 into 4, you just see here 0, 680 minimum you are getting. 680 means almost 680 to 700. You will be in All India rank. Definitely you will become a doctor. Please follow. So another most important feature I want to convey. So low cost. What is the low cost? We are charging only 10,000 rupees per year. So students who are studying +1, +2, so you can join in the +1 itself. Actually, this is, I am saying, if you want to join Vetri Daughters, students who are waiting for NEET entrance examination, you can join Vetri Daughters by paying 10,000 rupees. So how to pay? Pay 10,000 in the name of Santi, Director, Vetri Coaching Center, in Indian Bank, account number 712719471, IFC code IDIB 000P134. So then after paying with proof, you contact my WhatsApp number and the cell number 989417645. So with the proof, if you are contacting within 5 to 10 minutes, I will send you the secret code number. So applying this code number, you can enter into Vetri Daughters, you can operate. So automatically you will get your goal will be achieved. You will become 100% guarantee, you will become a doctor. So only for the poor people, I am opening the NEET coaching, NEET chemistry channel by Dr. R. Gunasegaran in YouTube. So poor students who are not able to pay, so kindly see and then you can improve your chemistry knowledge. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next class.